Now, dear students of physical education of class 12th, today we will continue the unit 5 Children and Women in Sports. In this chapter, today we will focus on the postural deformities. These are many types of the postural deformities like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, bow legs, flat foot, etc. These postural deformities reduce the efficiency of individual to great extent and cause many more health problems. These can easily be corrected or prevented if early steps are taken. The many type of the asanas, exercise or corrective measures which are much helpful to correct the postural deformities. So in these, the knock knee is one of them. We have to understand what is the knock knee. In this case, the legs are bent inward and knees strike each other while running or walking. Knees touch or overlapping each other in normal standing position. In knock knee problem, the knee join together while there is wide gap between the ankle, varying directly with the degree of deformity. Same like that, these are the condition of the normal person. These are the normal legs of a normal person, and this is the condition of the knock knee of a person. In this condition, these are the legs and these knees are just bent inward and touch to each other. So this condition is called the knock knee condition. So on the behalf of that, we have to say the knock knee is a very major problem, or it can be changed in the chronic problem if we will not take care at the time. Due to the various causes this knock knee problem has created, just like the main cause of the knock knee due to the disease rickets or deficiency of vitamin D, weak leg, obesity during childhood, overweight, calcium deficiency, heavy weight, etc. also. So these are the main causes of the knock knee. What are the corrective measures? Through the some asanas or through the some exercises, we are able to correct the knock knee problem, just like Vrikshasana, Akarna Dhanurasana or Padmasana. Through that we have to be able to correct the knock knee deformity in individual. Except that we have to use the pillows or pillow exercise also. It is called the pillow exercise. During the sleeping we have to use the pillow between the knees. Then through that exercise we have to also able to correct the knock knee deformity in individual also. So this is the main detail of the deformity of knock knee. Through that we have to be able to correct the knock knee postural deformity. Thank you.